In this video, I'm going to show you how to add LinkedIn link to resume in Canva. So what you need is of course LinkedIn, and you have to be logged in or signed up to LinkedIn, and Canva, where you always have to be signed in to of course do anything you would like to. So in here, we're gonna hop into Canva, and then of course on canva.com, you wanna go here to the search box and type in resume. And then over here, you simply want to press enter on your keyboard. Now on here, as you can see, you'll get a bit under 14,000 different templates. Now you can choose this, you can choose a template you would like to use for this instant and for your resume, okay? So as you can see, some are only available in the Canva Pro version, so in the premium version, but a lot of them are also available on the free version of Canva, and you can get them completely for free, edit them, and use them for your own personal needs. So what you want to do here is select one. For me, I'm going to pick this first one because it doesn't matter for this tutorial. You want to click on it and then click Customize this template. It will then open your template inside a new tab over here. And as you can see, here's what it looks like. So what we now want to do, if you want to add a LinkedIn link to the resume, we want to find something where we want to kind of put in our LinkedIn profile. So as you can see, the most fitting part would probably be down here, down below, or perhaps here on the left. So let's say I'm going to add it down below over here where it says email and then email, okay, as you can see over here. So I'm going to use this email over here and I'm going to change it and simply type in LinkedIn and then do double dot. There we go. I'm going to extend this a bit. And as you can see, there's now it says LinkedIn because I just changed it. And what you then want to do to add in the link, you want to go to your LinkedIn profile and then you want to click on me up here, click view profile. And in here, what you have to do is either over here where it says public profile and URL, you want to copy your link over here by highlighting it, pressing right click and copy, or you can simply click up here and press right click and copy. Okay, so both will work the exact same way and the link is the exactly same as you can see. Then you want to go back to Canva, and in here, next to where it says LinkedIn, you want to simply edit this text to where it becomes this link over here, excuse me. So I would have to delete this part and then paste it in, there we go. And as you can see, my LinkedIn link has now been pasted over here into Canva. Now, of course, this may not be the best place to put it because this LinkedIn link is a bit long, of course. However, you can put it anywhere you would like. So you could put it over here on the left. You can even find an icon inside Canva or anywhere else. You can replace it over here to kind of give it the LinkedIn look, so the LinkedIn logo, and then simply put in your LinkedIn link there. So once you've copied it, you can pretty much paste anywhere. Let's say I want to put it in here. Just right click, paste, there we go, pasted it in. It's a bit unfortunate because it's too big of a link, however it would still work if you manage it a little bit. So that's pretty much it. That's how to add LinkedIn link into a resume inside Canva. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.